What's up, online shoppers? This is the ProMaster 15-in-1 utility knife set. In one small compact package with a belt holster, you get all kinds of really cool tools. Now, ProMaster gave this to me for the purpose of a review, but my thoughts and opinions are going to be my own. I haven't seen the product yet, but I looked at what's on the front here and I am intrigued. Let's take it out of the box and see what's inside. Small little instruction manual. It has a really nice, thick, stiff canvas belt holster. You can put your belt through here and wear it right on your waist. It also has the option to go this way with a strap or a carabiner, and you can also hook a carabiner onto here. That's really cool. Now, this is the ProMaster original 15-in-1 multi-tool, so it is available in blue. Look at how compact those 15 tools are. Now, my gut instinct says this is a great guy gift, but I am an outdoors person. I teach outdoor ed, and this is exactly the kind of tool that I would want to have on my belt holster when I'm out in the bush with the kids. Opening this up is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is crack it open this way. It's pretty stiff. I've just taken it out, but you want that stiffness. You don't want something that's floppy. So it does have some significant effort to open and close it on both sides here, but I'm okay with that. Now, you can see it's got the name emblazoned on the stainless steel right here, and it does have a really nice smooth movement. I have no trouble making those pliers operate. Now, if we take a look at the sides here, this is where all those additional tools are going to come in. What's cool about this is like a pocket-sized toolbox on the go. So we're going to open up a couple of the features in here. Now, weight-wise, it weighs just over half a pound. So you're not going to be lugging a lot of heavy tools if you have this in your pocket, because this is going to do a lot of different things for you. Now, here is the ProMaster 15-in-1 fully open, and we're going to go through all the different cool things that this does. Now, this is a quality piece. Everything is really thoughtfully designed. The color is awesome. The movement of the pliers, as I said before, is really smooth. Now, let's look here. On this side here, you have a small screwdriver, you have a bottle opener, and you have a nail file that also doubles as a screwdriver. So we're going to close those and get them out of the way so I can show you this next one. This one here is a small saw, and you heard that click noise? That is the saw locking into place. So now you have a firm connection here, and you can actually use this to saw logs and cut. Now, a word of caution, this is crazy sharp in here. You don't want to run this along your skin. You will definitely cut yourself. Now, here's the cool safety feature. Right in here, and it's the same on both sides because there's sharp blades on both sides, there is a locking mechanism. And when you depress that little button, it releases the blade to be closed nice and easy. That way, the blade's not going to collapse on you when you're cutting and come back and cut you in the hand. Now, on this side, we have 4 other tools, but each of the tools does a couple different things. So you definitely have your Phillips screwdriver here, and that folds away nice and handy. You have a bottle opener right here, nice and handy. You also have a fish scaler right here and a measuring tool, so you can measure to see how big your fish are, although it would take a couple iterations of moving it, right? And you have this really sharp blade. And just like on the other side, when you move it into place, it actually locks closed, and you can't make the blade collapse until you release it with this little lever right here with your thumb before you can safely fold it and put it back into the handle. Now, the pliers, you have regular pliers, needle nose pliers. You've also got a wire stripper and cutter right here, and the movement on this is really, really smooth. Once you're done, everything folds nice and small right back into this compact little shape, and then you can tuck it into your case like that, hook it on your belt, and you're good to go. Now, the ProMaster 15-in-1 isn't just another pretty face. It has won awards and has been recognized as a great gift for lots of people. I'm really impressed with the quality of this product. I would definitely give this as a gift to someone, and this is definitely going to go on my belt when I'm in the bush, teaching, hunting, camping, off on some backwoods adventure. I love this. I think this is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.